You are looking at Julian's pronunciation guide, where we look at how to pronounce better some of the most mispronounced words in the world, like this other curious word. But how do you say what you're looking for today? American drama series, in British English pronounced The White Lotus, as in the lotus, the flower, the white lotus. Now in American English the pronunciation is generally as the white lotus with a flap T, which is a T that sounds like a D. The White Lotus, American English, or The White Lotus, UK. Here are more videos on how to pronounce more confusing words and names too many mispronounced. Like this video if you found it useful. I appreciate your support. I'll see you soon and thanks for watching.